On your screen, you can see Thematic in action. Thematic is a platform for large language models when it comes to the employee experience and customer experience. Australian companies are scrambling to use LLMs and generative AI more and more. LLMs have become an area of intense experimentation for Australian enterprises through the first part of 2023. After a lot of telcos and banks, now it's the turn of Woolworths, one of the biggest companies in Australia. Woolworths is increasingly using aggregated customer feedback to power its customer and employee experience decision making, courtesy of this feedback analytics platform made by Thematic. Thematic uses innovative and secure large language models, or LLMs in short, to support Woolworths customer and employees insight. Behind the scene, these models are using GPT in Azure. Data from Woolworths thematic dashboard, as is being displayed on your screen, which is similar to this, it gives you a snapshot which was published last month, showed customer service and range and stock as key themes of customer commentary, with the later including whether items were in or out of stock when visiting a supermarket. Woolworths is using both command analyzer and theme summarizer features of thematic platform. Command analyzer is intended to quantify and visualize the volume and sentiment level of feedback data. Theme Summarizer generates descriptive overviews of base themes and sub-themes in aggregated feedback. For example, Thematic's Theme Summarizer identified that a recurrent grievance in Woolworths online shoppers' comments about the range and stock base theme was having to purchase more expensive items due to the unavailability of cheaper options. That is a great insight. Woolworths is also using a sentence cluster feature to be able to review the underlying source data, the actual customer opinion as they were written. And I'm sure that more and more companies, especially the retailers, will be on the forefront of using similar platforms. So if you're looking to upskill yourself or reinvent yourself, I think this is one area where you could shine. If you have any feedback on this video, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.